Are you guys facing problems with your Instagram comments not showing? If so, this video is for you. Now, before we start and before I teach you guys how to fix this, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step is you might want to check your connection. Just go to your Wi-Fi. You can just turn your Wi-Fi off and turn it back on. So just do that. You can also just turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. After doing that, just check your Instagram comments again. If it's not working, you can try to use your cellular data too. Now, after doing this, if your comment is still not showing, what you might want to do is just delete the app. You can just go to Instagram, tap on it and tap on remove app and just delete the app. And after you do that, you can reinstall it by going to App Store and go to the search and search for Instagram and reinstall it back again. Now, if there is an update available, just check this before you're uninstalling the app. And if there is an update available, tap on update and your problem should get fixed from that way too. So that is basically all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.